on, everyone? We are here at Kalil Fab. That's Kalil, already getting to work. And today we're going to be installing the AEV Highmark Fenders on my 2020 Ram. So this is actually the first 5th gen outside of AEV to be getting these on. So we shall see how it goes. Today we're going to address the front, tomorrow we're going to address the rear, and yeah, should be pretty sweet. A little tire change. What's up, dude? You. What you doing?
We're taking this inner liner out right now.
Sorry it's a little dirty. I washed it yesterday. Not good enough.
I don't know if I trust you. Just kidding. Alright, here we go.
Sweet. So yeah, here's the fenders. That's the front. New liners, parts, lights, everything. And then there's the rears. So Kalil does everything.
Right.
Mainly cool trucks. I don't know why I brought mine here, but it's got some this new Platinum F250, big baller. A lot of pre-runner stuff. Alright, so we got the factory fender flare off, all the fender liner out, rerouted the factory harness, it's tucked up in there, and now we're getting into the nitty-gritty of cutting. So we're going to be pulling this out, we're using a rag to hold it back, our foam block, and then we're going to be slicing and dicing. You ready?
It's custom shit.
Custom shit with instructions.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up?
You got your trussel unit?
Yeah.
Did you see Anthony this morning? Anthony?
Alright, status update, Kalil, what are we doing?
Pulling the wheel off. We're gonna chop the cab a little bit right here.
Little choppy?
Choppy, cappy.
Yep.
And then we'll be on our way to installing these fender flares.
One side almost down. And we gotta... Kalil says I'm gonna be installing the new tires on the bead locks, but little does he know. Alright, quick update for everyone. Haven't been filming much because we've been running around with our heads cut off. So, a lot's happened. A lot. Let's go into it. So all the holes are pre-drilled for the fender. I'm gonna have to remove all that. Pinch welds are done. We're gonna seal it. Had to cut all that out. So it's pretty extensive, to be honest with you. But then we're going to figure out how we're going to deal with this. But both sides are done. So just going to clean everything up. And then here are the fenders. So I just drilled out the hole for this, ran the wires through. These are the amber marker lights. And we're going to have to tie it into factory parking lamp. And yeah, we'll do that shortly. So that's where we're at. Oh, also, look at these suckers. This is why I was gone for so long, because I had to get the generals pulled, get these put on. So these are the BFGs, KM3s, $39, $13.5, $17. I paid for these full price. But huge thanks to Jackson over at Glendale GCJ for getting me these super quick. So we got 5. We'll see how it goes. I think these actually measure out to 38.5. But we'll see. We'll see how it looks. And I'll update you guys in a little bit. It's not as much fun video as I thought it was going to be, but hey, we're doing what we can to get this done. Doubtful we'll get it done tonight, but who knows? Maybe I can get Kalil to stay a little late. Slicing and dicing. So that's actually part of the rear bed support bracket, and so you cut it, and a portion of it goes up here. Oh yeah, and this fender's on, so we're getting there. You having fun yet, or what?
It's 13 hours long today.
What? No. Don't tell people that.
Okay.
We're stalled because of these tires. We're getting there. Getting there. Morning.
Top of the morning.
Top of the morning. It's 7 a.m. here. Kalil got here at 6. I got here at 7-ish. We were here until 9-something last night. So, truck's coming along. This side's practically done. Just gotta get the wiring done. Other side is practically done too. Just gotta do the wiring. And then we'll get cranking on the rear. So, that's where we're at. Oh, and then we gotta do some custom stuff there to make bezel fit. Still gonna figure out bumpers, but we're getting there. Little update. Rears are done. Fronts are done. Fender liners are going in the rear. Fender liners are already in the front. Just gotta button things down and then do the wiring. But so far, so good. These lines, perfect. Just doing this side, and then we'll walk to the front. And there she is. What are your thoughts so far?
I think it's going to be quite the off-road rig.
How's the install?
It's coming along, you know. It took a lot more time than we thought, but that's what happens when you do things the right way, you know.
Yeah, recommendations for those who try to do this on their truck.
Make sure you have a solid 2.5 days, just because you don't want to rush it and cut corners and have to drill 2 times into plastic because you can't, you know, fix those holes. So.
And what about like 1 person, 2 person?
Definitely a 2-person job.
Yeah.
Because you got to fit everything up and make sure that all the holes are lined up and to get all the clean lines. Obviously, you can probably slap this thing together on your own, but it's not going to look as nice all said and done.
Yeah.
And obviously, this truck is coming together perfectly, so can't wait to see it on the road.
Well, yeah. So the only thing that we did differently the most and actually I kind of checked and asked, is not many people have done this to the stock bumper, but we were able to. We cut the bumper just a little bit. It lines up almost perfectly. It's a little off, but that's just because the contour of the bumper is not the same as like the contour that AEV's bumper does. Eventually, Kalil's gonna be making a bumper for this truck, but for now, we just finagled it on.
Yep.
Finagle.
Finagled.